Hi there.
Would you like to buy some cookies?
I can watch on my computer screen what's happening on the side of my yard.
All right, who's there?
Oh, yeah.
And I can talk to the
show me your
person
face,
too.
smile.
I can zoom in also.
Magic.
Hi, this is Janet Darrow, your favorite realtor here in Long Beach, at my front door where we have just installed the Ring Doorbell. And this is my electrician, Alex and Alfred, and they have been doing a great job. So if you want a Ring doorbell, and now I have a doorbell that actually rings. It's great. Good security. Talk to you next time.